Okay, so, hello again. In this video, basically going to show you how to basically make like a bunch of money. So as you saw that I just did, what you want to do, I don't know if this is necessarily unlocked at the beginning in row 2, but it's the tilted speed crash test, which I'm pretty sure, if I remember, this is not unlocked at the beginning. So another suggestion I would have is to go to row 1 and go over to the stair fall and then do that one. Like, cause the stair fall is pretty bad. Like, stair fall is actually pretty good and stuff. But once you keep doing that and unlocked the tilted crash test, then you can just come over here and then just go on in and just go down. Now this way is a pretty boring way. It's a pretty boring way, but it's a way to get a lot of money. Like, if you want to get a lot of money, this is a really good way to do it fast if you don't want to go anywhere. Because, like, on the flamethrower and stuff, you have to go in, like, press the button and stuff. And if you want to know why I keep spawning at row 2, it's because I go to settings, and if you scroll down, you can go to preferred vehicle spawn point, and you can go to row 2, and then you will spawn at row 2, and then you basically just come out and you go vroom, vroom, and then you go vroom, and then you just go down, and then you hit, and then you go down, and you hit, and it's good. Okay, boom, done, just like that. Pretty nice. You can just go down, you just keep doing it over and over again. You keep going and going and going, and then boom. See, like, look, I'm almost unlocked another vehicle. But see, I did it so fast that the car's still respawning. So now I can respawn the car, press R, press W, D, mouse, and just turn the corner. And if you hear me sniffling, I'm sorry. I'm sick. I'm kind of sick. So sorry. And if you ever have a crowbar, if you have a Roblox, you have a crowbar and you just can smash it and get a crap ton more money. But I'm a skill crusher in VIP, and I have a lot of parts, and I have $3.1 billion and 2 tokens. So, like I said, I don't know if this is unlocked at the beginning, because I don't know. Boom! Unlocked a new car. Go to dealership. Another way to earn money that's fast, but it's more boring, is you just spawn it, and this one you have to have the crowbar. So sorry if you don't have Robux. You need the crowbar, and I'm pretty sure this way might be slower, because you basically just go around, and then you smash your car, and you get a bunch of money, and then, yeah, you get a bunch of money, and then you just press R and respawn, and then get out. Get out and smash it again. Boom, 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 like this. There you go. You get a bunch of stuff, but I prefer to do this. To just go over here and then go in here and crash a little bit, get a point. And then you go down, 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 and then boom. And another thing is, if you ever get a bus, this is my suggestion if you ever get a bus. If you ever get a bus, what you want to do is go to the car that was before the bus that you had before you unlocked the bus, and use that car until you unlock the car after the bus. And then, because the bus The bus, you don't earn that much money doing this because it only destroys the front, but most cars like destroys the whole thing. See, like this dump truck, I don't really know. It would probably be smarter to go to the car before you do that, because it could be bad and it might not be that good. So that would be my suggestion. So yeah, see, like this is a dump truck. Or what is this thing? It looks like that's like a road salter. Like salt the roads with that thing. Oh, that's terrible doing. Yeah, this looks like a salter because it has a road plastic. Because it has a. No one saw that. It has a. It looks like it has a. Probably like an aluminum bed, an aluminum plow, maybe. And also the lights change when you turn. That's really weird. But that's really good. My really only suggestion for how to make a lot of money in this game really fast after you do the staircase. Because the staircase works a lot. See, like this gave me a lot of money, but I have no clue where I am, so I would just respawn the vehicle and then call it that. Sorry. Sorry for me sneezing. That is printed on the windshield. That car freshener is printed on the windshield. Look at that. It's printed on the windshield. Probably doesn't work. Well, if you want me to make any other helpful videos, maybe, then leave them in the comments below. And I will see you guys later.